March 23, 2023, after sundown, a striking lunar crescent is near Venus. Jupiter is lower in the sky, while Mars approaches Gemini. Photo caption, 2021, January 15, the thin waxing moon with Earthshine, reflected sunlight from Earth's features gently illuminates the lunar night. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:49 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:06 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Times are calculated from the U.S. Naval Observatory's MICA computer program. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Saturn is emerging from bright sunlight into a darker morning sky. This morning at 30 minutes before sunrise, it is over 5 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. An optical assist from a binocular or telescope is needed to see it. Each morning, it rises earlier and becomes easier to see without optical help. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2023, March 23, Venus, Jupiter, and the crescent moon are visible in the western sky after sundown. Mercury, like Saturn, is entering a darker sky, but after sundown. It is moving toward its best evening appearance of the year during April. This evening, it sets over 30 minutes after sunset, leaving the sky 5 to 6 minutes later each evening. By 45 minutes after sundown, a striking crescent moon, 6% illuminated, is 5.9 degrees below Venus, that is about 25 degrees above the western horizon. The evening star is quickly stepping eastward, passing 9.5 degrees to the lower left of the Hamel, the brightest star in Aries. Hamel is about the same brightness as the stars in the Big Dipper. Look for it carefully. Venus is too far away to fit into the same binocular field of view with the star in this widely spaced conjunction. Chart caption, 2023, March 23, through a binocular Venus and the crescent moon, showing Earthshine, are in the same field of view. Venus and the lunar crescent are in the same binocular field. Photo caption, Venus, Mercury and the crescent moon, March 18, 2018. The moon shows Earthshine, reflected sunlight from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land, on the lunar night side. This is visible to the unassisted eye and it can be photographed with a tripod-mounted camera with exposures up to a few seconds. At this hour, bright Jupiter is less than 4 degrees above the western horizon, and 21.4 degrees to the lower right of Venus. The Jovian giant is slipping into brighter evening twilight. Many planets are not visible at this altitude, height above the horizon, but bright Jupiter is easy to see if the horizon is unobstructed. Venus is shortening a wide gap to Mars, over 50 degrees to the upper left of the Earth's twin planet. Mars is marching eastward in Taurus, near the Gemini border. The red planet steps into the next constellation on the 26th. Chart caption, 2023, March 23, Mars approaches the Gemini twins after sundown. This evening, Mars is 7.2 degrees to the upper left of Elnath, Taurus northern horn, 6.0 degrees above Zeta Tauri, the southern horn, and 5.4 degrees to the lower right of Purpose, Castor's toe. Nota Lena, meaning the brand mark, over 15 degrees to Mars left. It is the 44th brightest star visible from Earth. Shining from a distance of 110 light-years, it is nearly 160 times brighter than our Sun. Mars is dimming as Earth pulls away on our inside orbital pathway. It was brightest when the two planets were closest on November 30, 2022. Tonight, Mars is dimmer than Capella, to its upper right, but brighter than Castor and Pollux, to the upper left and nearly overhead. Chart caption, 2023, March 23, through a binocular, Mars, Purpose, 1 Geminorum, 1 Gem, and Messier 35, M35, are in the same field of view. Through a binocular spot Mars and Purpose. The star cluster, catalogued as Messier 35, M35 on the chart, is between the planet and the star. Each evening Mars moves closer to the stellar bundle. During the next week watch Mars close in and pass M35 as well as 1 Geminorum, 1 Gem on the chart. Look for the star cluster before the moon's phase grows too bright and whitewashes the sky and dimmer celestial wonders with its light. Messier 35 is a star cluster with blue stars, like those in the Pleiades star cluster, placing its age around 150 million years. It is dimmer than the Seven Sisters because it is over 4 times farther away.